The enigmatic and awe-inspiring phenomenon of black holes has long intrigued scientists and ignited the imaginations of people around the world. These celestial objects, with their immense gravitational pull and mysterious properties, have left us with countless questions about their nature and what lies within their gravitational grasp. Renowned theoretical physicist Michio Kaku has recently made extraordinary claims asserting that he knows the real truth about black holes and what exists inside them, unveiling the mysteries. Kaku's bold assertions challenge our current understanding of black holes and propose an alternative perspective on their nature. He suggests that these cosmic behemoths, far from being destructive forces that devour everything in their path, might actually be gateways to other dimensions and universes. According to Kaku, black holes serve as portals, connecting our universe with others that exist beyond our perception. One of the key aspects that Kaku explores is the concept of a black hole's singularity. Singularity is the point of infinite density at the heart of a black hole, where our current understanding of physics breaks down. Kaku suggests that instead of being a destructive force that crushes matter into oblivion, the singularity may serve as a gateway or a bridge to other realms. He theorizes that once inside a black hole, matter and energy may be transformed or transported to other dimensions, potentially leading to the creation of entirely new universes. Kaku also discusses the possibility of white holes, which are hypothetical regions of space-time that are the opposite of black holes. While black holes pull matter and energy into their gravitational embrace, white holes are believed to expel matter and energy outward. Kaku speculates that the existence of white holes could provide clues to the workings of black holes, and at the same time the interconnectedness of the universe. He suggests that these white holes may serve as exit points from black holes, allowing matter and energy to re-emerge in another part of the universe or even in alternative dimensions. Furthermore, Kaku explores the concept of wormholes, which are hypothetical tunnels, or shortcuts you could say, through space-time that could connect distant regions of the universe or even different universes. These wormholes, if they exist, could offer a means of traversing vast cosmic distances or accessing other dimensions. Kaku's insights raise the possibility that black holes may serve as a natural gateway to these wormholes, enabling interdimensional travel and opening up a vast realm of possibilities for exploration and understanding. Implications and conjecture. The implication of Kaku's claims are profound and challenge our fundamental understanding of the universe. If black holes are indeed portals to other dimensions or universes, they would revolutionize our perception of space, time, and the nature of reality itself. It would also provide a potential explanation for the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, which constitute the majority of the universe's mass and energy but remain elusive to our current scientific understanding. However, it's important to note that Kaku's claims remain theoretical in nature. While his insights are thought-provoking and supported by mathematical models, they require further scientific investigation and empirical evidence to be validated. Black holes continue to be the subject of intense study and observations by astrophysicists and astronomers worldwide, with ongoing efforts to gather more data and refine our understanding of these cosmic phenomena. Michio Kaku's assertions regarding the true nature of black holes and what lies within them open up a realm of possibilities and ignite our imagination. His proposal that black holes may serve as gateways to other dimensions and universes challenge our existing understanding of the cosmos, and this invites us to reconsider the true nature of these enigmatic objects. While further research, observation, and experimentation are necessary to validate these claims, Kaku's insights provide a fascinating perspective that propels our exploration of the universe and our quest to uncover its deepest secrets. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of black holes, we stand on the threshold of a new era of discovery and understanding. Michio Kaku's idea encourages us to expand our minds, challenge our preconceived notions, and embrace the boundless possibilities that await us in the captivating realm of black holes and the mysteries that they hold.